Welcome back to the new video friends. Today's topic is font size setting in Oppo phone. In this video guys we will talk about how to customize font size in Oppo phone. We will talk about it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you new in my channel and you are watching it for first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, first of all open your phone settings. So guys, we will on our phone setting. After guys, click on display and brightness setting. You can see guys that two are later. Guys, click on font and display size, scroll it, and guys you can see font size. You want to customize yourself, so you click here, and guys medium size, large size, very large, and guys apply. So guys, now you can see font size setting in Oppo phone guys. So I think friends we have understood how to use font size setting in Oppo phone guys, and guys how to customize font size in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.